Thank you guys so much for tuning in and listening to Mabaan. Listening to African languages. And today we are going to learn about the word fire. Maañ, maañ, fire. Maañ in Mabaan. And in Arabic is nar, nar, nar in Arabic. So we got maañ, fire, nar, nar. Maañ, maañ is fire, and in Arabic is nar, nar. Fire is hot, fire is really hot. Fire is really hot. So fire, maañ, fire, maañ. In Arabic, nar, nar. Next, maañ, fire, nar. So maañ is a fire. But in African, in Mabaan, or African, languages, so there's relationship, or there's the roots of the word and what it means. So fire in Africans also is mama, mama. Mama also is mom, mom. It's a female. So mama, which is fire, but also female name. And in Arabic, fire, nar, if a female named fire will be Nura, Nura, Nur, light. And that's why in Mabaan, maañ is light, fire. Nur is light, but if you name female name will be Nura, Nura. And similar to Mabaan or other, African Mabaan or black. So Ma is a female name, Ma. So Ma is a female name, mean fire, but it related to mom. Mom is always light. And it's light because mother is the one who holding baby. Mothers are the one who carrying baby and they have place, to nurture the baby until the baby or babies are born or is born. So mama is a female mean mother or fire. Mama, mama. And also ma is a female name. Ma mean fire. And you can say manya, my fire in Arabic will be nar bitai, or nari, nari. Again, mama my fire. So mama my fire. Mama yeah, my fire. Mama is fire or mama. But also female name mean fire. And when you say ya unda manya, ya unda manya, adini narbitai. So adini narbitai. Adini narbitai in Arabic. Adini narbitai. Ya unda manya. Ya unda manya. Give me my fire. So give me my fire. This the last sentence that I wrote. It's mean ya unda manya. Ya unda manya mean give me my fire. Give me my light. In Arabic means adini nar bitai. Adini nar bitai. But there's a language in languages, there's this assimilation, there's a similar meaning, and so in especially in African, so you see there's a meaning, but there's like many words that related to it. So you have ma, which is a female but fire, and you have mama, which is fire but also meaning light. It's a nar, but also a female, mama. And that's my lesson today is all about fire, what it means, in African languages. And fire means the light. Think about mother is a light that generate, people, light that create people through, your mom, your dad. So dad kind of gene, genetic side. Mom carrying blood, so light, red, and light that she brings us to life. Mother brings, children to life, taking care of them even when they're little inside mother's bellies, mother's, their stomachs. So taking care of children of generation for a long time, for a duration of time. So mama, meaning also female, but also fire. Think of what my mother, Maya, my mom, Ammi. So when you say Ammi in Arabic, Ambitai means my mother. And in Mabaan, you will say May, my mother. Ammi or Ambitai. Ammak, your mother. Ammak, Ammi, my mother. And you see that in Africans, there's a lot of words that connect. There's a lot of roots, the meaning that you can see. Just one word, you can see like there's a relationship that's like floating around, meaning fire, but it could be a name of person, right? Name of girl, name of female. So there's a lot of connection. There's a lot of deep connection to to African language. Like what's object mean? What's object or objects are telling you, are showing you, the definitions. And again, thank you so much for just coming and, listening and supporting my site, my video, and it's mean a lot to me. When I see if you hit, thumb up or subscribe, my video, I would appreciate it, and that would be a lot, to me. Thank you so much for your help, and so I will be giving you more videos, soon. So I will update you. And again, thank you so much. Peace.